What's up, guys? It's your girl Mac Cox from A Couture Crafting. I am so excited to be doing this video for you guys because you guys ask me about this nonstop. I am making what I think are epic quilts and nobody cares. Nobody cares. All you guys care about are my notions, and this notion right here, you guys ask me about all the time. I got so many emails about this notion. Oh my goodness. She's a cutie patootie. It's an ironing board. It's tiny, and it's made by Dawn from Sarasota Sews. I am going to link all of her information down at the bottom. It actually has a layer of, batting or Insul Bright in here. It does the trick. You guys see how crisp my stuff comes out. You can, of course, just get the ironing board, and then you can purchase these separately. All of this. You ready? She sells this for 20 bucks, guys. You will have to pay for shipping, and it's definitely a little bit heavier, but once you have one, you can just order all of the little cute little covers for it. You can just put on a new cover when this one, does its thing. Yes, this is a Tulip Pink one. I had to have it. I got this at the Sarasota, I think it was Sarasota show, but I have shown this so many times, and you guys ask me about it all the time. If you want to make a statement when you are at your retreats, if you're going to a little sew-in or a quilting bee, they're going to ask you about this. Everybody's going to want one. She has all different types of covers. You will not see these on her website because the shipping is a little bit higher. At the time, she didn't have it. Although there are so many of you guys that ask that maybe she will put these on her website. You will need to call the shop, ask for Dawn, and say, hey, I want one. You guys, we support small businesses. We support quilt shows. We support shops. And so this is a shop. Let's support. Go get these because you ask about it all the time. It is such a cutie patootie. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. If you're wondering how big it is almost, it's about 11.5 inches high by about 5.5 wide, a little bit more. And it's just a great cutie patootie to have. Again, it's a little bit heavier. I don't know how much it's going to cost to ship to you, but she's more than fair. She's trying to get it to you guys. And I'm just excited to bring it to you because, yes. So this is our first Notions for 2024. I couldn't be happier about bringing this to you guys. All right, check her out. It's Sarasota Sews in Florida, and her name is Dawn, and all of her information will be linked down below. All right.